How to integrate Stripe with PandaDoc. In this video, I'll show you how to integrate Stripe with PandaDoc. So to get started, go ahead and open PandaDoc into your browser. Sign into your PandaDoc account and then click on that settings icon at the bottom left of your screen. Click on integrations and that will take you into this section. So in here, you'll be able to find all the applications you can integrate with your PandaDoc account. In here, look for Stripe and then click on Stripe. And then make sure that you're upgraded into business plan to be able to use Stripe or integrate Stripe with your PandaDoc account. So as you can see, if you have integrated Stripe, you can go ahead and incorporate a payment block into your document. So make sure that you have upgraded your plan into business plan to be able to do this, and make sure that you have a Stripe account, Stripe business account specifically, to integrate it. And that is how you can basically integrate Stripe with PandaDoc. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.